Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see about pi only, guys. So here you can see recently I made a post regarding pi. Okay, so many people were asking me when is the second migration, waiting for the second migration. So that means they have received their token in their transferable balance. Okay, so they're just waiting for the second migration. So in this video I'll explain you guys how you can how the second migration works, and apart from that, and some of you will be having your unverified balance just like that. Okay, so it is not even moving to transferable balance. I'll explain you that also how it works. And recent time what happened, pi did a nice pump. Okay, so it was actually trading around 0.50 cent to 0.65 cent for a very long period of time, and in recent time you can see it's a huge pump. Okay, so why it happened, that also I'll explain in this video. So make sure to watch this video until the very end, guys. And before we start our video, if this is the first time visiting to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video and continue watching it. If you want to support me, please kindly like the video and continue watching it. And this is our Telegram channel. Here only we'll give updates, add details, add link and everything. In case if you haven't followed us on here, make sure to follow us on here also. Okay, so with that being said, let's get into the video, guys. So first of all, about this recent pump, no, it happened because of rumor. Okay, so let me be clear, there was a rumor happening regarding this one, that it's going to be getting listed on Binance and all. And not only that, on top of that, May 14th there was a ecosystem announcement. Okay, so that was also there. Okay, so that's why this recent pump happened. And some whale also purchased a huge chunk of pi, and 90 million pi moved by whales. That spiked literally to 78% volume spike. Okay, so everything happened in recent time. So this is one thing happened, like happening currently. And now again pi is resting. It came down 25%. Okay, something like that. So this is actually sparked among the SPY users, SPY community members. Like again we are coming back to $2, $3, something like that. So why it happened is, it's because of, like I already told you, rumor happening, Binance listing rumor. So these kind of things only making this spike and all. And apart from that, tomorrow their ecosystem update is also there. Okay, so while these things are happening, now people wants their token to be in the transferable balance to receive in their wallet. Okay, in migrated to mainnet wallet. So but the problem comes is, like their token is still in the unverified balance. Okay, so in case if your token is still in the unverified balance, how unverified balance becomes transferable is, so previously you must have completed your KYC and mainnet checklist and all in your Pi network app. If you would have done that, first step is good. And your security circle and referral members are two different thing. Okay, so any pi you earned referring them or adding them to your security circle is locked as unverified balance. Okay, so any pi you earned through your referring them or else adding to their security circle, no, if you earned pi through them, it will be going to the unverified balance. You all know this. Okay, so until this specific user also completes KYC, so that's when this will be completed and it will be moved to the transferable balance. Until then it will be remaining in the unverified balance. Okay, so with example I'll show you. And one more thing, once if they complete the KYC, for example your security member is also there and you referred people also there. Okay, if both of them completes the KYC, even some of them completes the KYC, your balance is calculated, like whatever pi you earned through them, no, so it will be automatically transferred to the unverified balance to transferable balance. Okay, here you can see the pi associated with them automatically moves from your unverified balance to your transferable balance, and you don't need to take any additional steps. In case if your if your referred member and your security circle member completes the KYC, it should happen automatically. Okay, so that's what I'm coming to say. For example, here you can see, suppose your unverified balance is 200 pi. Okay, and you earned 120 pi from your referral team, and in your security circle members will be there, no, 5 members. From them you earned some 80 pi. Okay, so overall 200 pi. So if 3 out of 5 people referred members are there, no, so if they are completing the KYC, means you will be getting 72 pi token. Okay, so from this to 120, 72 you will receive for 3 out of 5 referral members completes the KYC. Same goes here also, 2 out of 4 security circle member completes the KYC, you will be earning 40 pi. 45 means 2 means what, 50%. 50% in the 80 means 40 tokens, so 40 pi you will be receiving it. So overall, if you add both these things, no, 112 pi will be moved to the transferable balance. So this is how the this is how it works. Okay, so this is how you will get your token to your transferable balance. So your security members and referred people should complete the KYC. That's when your token unverified balance will be moved to the transferable balance. So, and this is the method that they are using, but the thing is, there is so much of glitch and delay is happening, and even if our users are completing the KYC, we are not able to receive the balance through them which we earned. Okay, so they have some tricky things and all. Okay, so if your referred user completes the KYC in the recent time, so we will lose the previous earnings and all. So these kind of things are the reason that we are not receiving the token right away in our transferable balance. In case if you see your balance in the transferable balance, no, like here you can see in my post, many people said when is the second migration, and he said yes, my balance is now transferable, but when will I get my mainnet wallet, when will I get it in my mainnet wallet? That's what he is saying. So for him the answer is like, what is the second migration in the Pi network? Okay, so first the first migration happened, and then unverified balance will be there waiting on KYC of others. Okay, so unless until if the other people didn't complete the KYC, we will not get our balance, unverified balance, and newly mined Pi will be there. Okay, earned after the first migration. So after the first migration done, no, you must have started earning some Pis. It will be going to the transferable balance too. Okay, so the second migration refers to transferring this newly eligible balance, okay, so that you received in your transferable balance. So when does this second migration happen? So that is the question that he asked me. So for this you must have completed your KYC. Okay, so must be done already. So already you must have done this one, and you have completed the mainnet checklist also. Even this one required before any mainnet transfers, and new balance becomes transferable. And new balance means like so your new transferable balance is there, no, so it should be becoming transferable. So our new balance which we got, no, it should become transferable, and this includes Pi from the friends who finally passed the KYC or new mining earnings. Okay, so it should be transferable. And Pi network schedule batch migration, actually it happens in a round or batches. Okay, so there is no fixed schedule, but occurs periodically, so which means every few weeks it happens. Okay, so it will not happen right away. So in case if your token is in the transferable balance, it's good for you, because someday you will get your token to your it will be migrated to your wallet. But if it's in the unverified balance, that's when you should be worried. Okay, and now once your balance becomes transferable, it is queued for migration just like in the first round. Okay, so but the second migration isn't instant. Okay, it depends on Pi network batch processing schedule, so you gotta wait for a longer time. Okay, so you need to wait, that's when you will be able to get it. Okay, so you can't ask me how long I should wait and all, because even I don't know. It is they are making it so delay. So someday I'll hope once everything is cleared, all the queues are cleared, you will get your token to your mainnet wallet. Okay, so that's what I think. And now how to know if you are in the queue? Okay, so you can go inside the Pi network app and click on the mainnet tab and look at the transferable balance. If it says pending migration, it is in the queue. Okay, if it hasn't moved yet, you are waiting for the next batch. So this is how you can know whether you are in the queue or not. And how often do migration happen? Like I already told you, it will here you can see users have reported seeing second migration after 2 to 6 weeks of newly verified Pi. So that means 2 to 6 weeks it can happen. So we need to wait for a very long period of time in order to receive our token. So users have reported seeing second migration 2 to 6 weeks of newly verified Pi. Okay, so 2 to 6 weeks it will happen. That's when we will be able to get our token to our wallet. Okay, and what we can do is double check your mainnet checklist to make sure nothing was missed, and encourage your team members to finish their KYC if unverified Pi remains, and just wait. Once the system picks up your updated balance, it will move it will move it during the available migration wave. Okay, so in case if you got your token in the transferable balance, you gotta wait for 2 to 6 weeks. That's when you can get to see your tokens in your wallet. Okay, mainnet wallet. So this is when the second migration happens, and this is how it happens. So I hope you answered your questions. Okay, so this is what is happening behind the Pi network, guys. Unverified balance and the second migration, it should happen automatically. So there isn't some particular date and all. So by seeing all the data, it should happen automatically, or else Pi should announce some data regarding that. Okay, how it works. So pretty much this is it, guys. So we need to, in case if you want to receive your token, you gotta wait for 2 to 6 weeks. So this is how second migration is happening. You need to, it should automatically drop your mainnet wallet, and you can go and check whether it's queued or not, like I shown you. So just go and see, and wait for it. Once your batch comes, I mean, you will receive your token to your mainnet wallet. Okay, so I hope I answered all of your questions, and what is this unverified balance, and transferable balance, and second migration things and all. So pretty much that's it, guys, in this video. Just wanted to make this video yesterday itself, but now only I got some time, so I'm making this video now. I hope you all like this video. If you do so, click the like button. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching this video until the very end.